Does this look familiar? Drowning in a storm of emails, missed meetings, and that sinking feeling that you're scrubbing the decks, but the ship isn't moving. I threw my brain overboard today. For the next 24 hours, I am making 0 decisions. I hired an AI quartermaster to steer the ship, chart my course, and tell me exactly what to do. Will we reach the treasure faster, or will the AI run us aground? Let's find out. Welcome to the crew. First, I needed a first mate. I went to ChatGPT and gave it my raw, messy logbook. Write a blog post, gym, email, sponsors. I told it to prioritize everything based on where the gold is. Then I plugged that map into Motion. If you don't know Motion, it's not a calendar. It's an AI navigator. I didn't choose when to work. Motion told me, hoist the sails on the script at 9 a.m. So I did. The weirdest part, the fog cleared. I didn't think. I just followed orders. Next, I had a meeting. Usually I'm scrambling to take notes while trying to listen. Not today. I brought in Fireflies.ai. It sat silently in the cabin, transcribed every word, and 5 minutes after we hung up, boom! It sent me a summary with action items. It even flagged that I promised to pay a bounty. I didn't have to remember anything. The AI remembered for me. The old way, you spend 20 minutes every morning staring at your map, wondering where to sail first. You shuffle papers, you drift. The new way, you wake up. The AI has already plotted the course. The wind is at your back. You just grab the wheel. We used to trade time for gold. Now we trade AI for time. In this experiment, I saved 90 minutes of grunt work before lunch. That is 90 minutes I can spend hunting for treasure, not just patching holes in the hull. So, is it worth the doubloons? Let's break down the cost. The AI stack cost me about $50 a month. That sounds steep for a calendar. But do the math. If you value your time at even $20 an hour, and this AI saves you just 5 hours a month, it paid for itself in week 1. In my 24-hour test, I plundered 30% more loot because I stopped managing the ship and started commanding it. Verdict: if you're running a business, you can't afford not to hire these robots. The tools I used are linked in the description below. Go build your own crew. If you want to see me test more AI tools so you don't have to waste your gold, hit that subscribe button. Master AI, build wealth, Captain out.